Hello medicos. Hello medicos. Today we're gonna discuss about the concept of cell injury. Today we're gonna discuss about the how the cell is going to die or get injured. Cell injury is also called as cell damage. Cell damage. How the cell is damaged means due to the lack of oxygen. It is called as lack of oxygen. It is called as hypoxia. Hypoxia means the cell get injured. Hypo means decrease or lack. Oxy means oxygen. Oxy means oxygen. So the main cause of cell death or injury is hypoxia. So it's clear what is hypoxia. Now we're gonna discuss there are how many types of hypoxia. Okay, actually we will talk about the pathogenesis of hypoxia. So as we know everyone, we have nose or nostrils. Through the nostrils oxygen enters into the human nasopharynx. Then from nasopharynx it enters to the through trachea it enters into the lungs. We have bronchioles, primary, secondary, tertiary. At the end of the bronchs or bronchioles we have the sacs. It is called as alveoli. There are many alveoli in the lungs. Okay, what is the role of alveoli? In alveoli, as we know everyone that in alveoli the exchange of gases takes place. Exchange of gases takes place in the alveoli. Okay, from alveoli, okay, again we will draw the diagram. Okay, here we have alveoli. Okay, in alveoli exchange of gas takes place. Means what is the exchange of gases? Means from heart we have chamber C is the right atrium, left atrium, right ventricle, left ventricle. From right ventricle the blood is supplied to the means the pulmonary veins carries the blood to the pulmonary arteries carries blood to the lungs. Okay, blood to the it is deoxygenated blood, means it has carbon dioxide. At the site of alveoli, this is alveoli, these are the pulmonary arteries. From these to the alveoli, in alveoli we have the oxygen. In pulmonary vein we have the carbon dioxide, CO2. Okay, exchange of gases means oxygen is replaced by the carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide is replaced by the oxygen. Okay, then from these veins it carries to the heart. Again from this aorta it carries to the all organelles, and at last it's supplied to the cell. Okay, now we know the mechanism of the oxygen supply to the cell. So in case of In case of hypoxia, there is decreased oxygen supply to the cell. This is our main concept. Now we will talk about the types of hypoxia. Types of hypoxia means there are many types of hypoxia. First of all, we will talk. First one is hypoxic hypoxia. Hypoxia. As we already know that hypoxia means decreased oxygen supply. Hypoxic means when the person living in high altitude areas, there is decreased oxygen, so it causes hypoxia. Or in cases of some COPD means coronary obstructive pulmonary disease. In these cases we will get hypoxia. And the second type is anemic hypoxia. As you know, hypoxia means decreased oxygen supply. The cause is anemia. What is the meaning of anemia? Anemia means decreased blood. Or why it will get decreased blood supply or decreased blood oxygen? Due to severe blood loss. We will get anemia. If there is and second cause is decreased hemoglobin in the blood. How the decreased hemoglobin causes? Less oxygen supply. As we all know that hemoglobin carries oxygen to the tissue. So if there is decrease in hemoglobin means it will causes decreased oxygen supply. So the anemic hypoxia causes cell death. The third case is stagnant hypoxia. What is the meaning of stagnant? Means there is stagnant means due to obstruction, means the blood cannot supply, or the supply of blood is obstructed, or it is stopped due to some obstruction. It may be arterial obstruction, or it may be venous obstruction. Okay. The fourth type of hypoxia is histotoxic hypoxia. Histotoxic hypoxia means due to tissue. Histo means tissue. The main cause of histotoxic hypoxia is cyanide poisoning. Okay, thank you.